This video is for those of you men with small gbolá. You are looking for a way to increase the length or maybe probably adding some inches to it. And also for those of you men that are 30 seconds men. A lot of you guys have small gbolá and it is a concern to those of you that have it. So this video, I'm going to tell you if you have small gbolá or if you are a 30 seconds man, what you can do to increase and that can solve, that can put an end to all of these things. So without wasting much of your time, let us dive straight into the main business. If you have small gbolá, let me start like this. Whenever slim women are your kind of women, the kind of knacking position you use, now dog style, backyard style. Make she always hold on to something, shoot her nyash, raise her nyash, raise the ToToo, make you see chance, shook your pregnant side, make you dog style, make you knack that ToToo, knack nonsense come off for that ToToo body. Because you see women that are slim and tall, the hole is always very deep. And you that you have it small, if you say you want to do mommy and daddy style, you will never take out of her and she will never feel anything. The best way, the best knacking position that a woman feel you, a woman with a deeper hole, feel you people more. Now backyard style, or whenever she's the one knacking you the revise, then the seat on top, style. That is only when this set of women feel your prick inside that pekus. If you are doing spooning or mommy and daddy style or from the underneath, she might not feel anything because the place is bigger than you. The hole is bigger than your gbolá. Better still, if you know that you don't want to go with slim ladies and tall ladies, better still go with ladies of your size. The one that will not complain about your size. Women that are chubby, that are thick, that are short, that ToToo, according to science, say it's being said that holy place, it's narrow and short, that will be able, and shallow, it's not deep. So that your baby man will be able to do a lot of work inside their own engine. You feel me? Your own prick will be able to do a lot of work inside their own engine. They don't complain too much whenever a guy with small prick, they knack them. And such women does not really like prick as much as a lady that is tall and slim. So the kind of knacking position you can use mommy and daddy, you can use dog style for ladies that are chubby, ladies that are short or that are thick. You can use it for them. Any style go with them, whether you have it small or big. Because ordinarily these such women, they don't too fancy prick. So if you use the small one you have, it will go a long way with them without complaining. Then how you can add some inches or some length or some flesh to it. I have made a video like this before. Make sure you do pelvic floor exercise. Okay? Pelvic floor exercise. It helps to strengthen the pelvic muscles. This particular exercise make your gbolá always hard rather than going soft easily. Go and read about pelvic floor exercise. Another type of exercise I will recommend for you is Kegel, Kegel. That is the spelling, Kegel exercise. Please go and be doing that kind of exercise on daily basis. For those of you that don't know, this is what the example, what I'm talking about on the screen. This is what they call Kegel exercise, and the other one is pelvic floor exercise. You feel me? You need that exercise on regular basis to help to strengthen the muscles and also to make it hard and strong. Then another thing I will ask you to be doing on daily basis is if you have portrait belly, if your stomach is big, just know that the size of your prick will remain small because that your portrait belly has taken half, has taken some inches from your baby man. So I will advise you do exercise that can burn belly fat. I have said something like this. It was a video request one guy asked me to film last week or something, or 2 weeks ago. Burn belly fat. When you burn belly fat, you will see that some inches you will be shocked with the length or with the inches that will be adding. Then another thing is eat fruits. Fruits like watermelon, pomegranate. If you can't lay your hands on pomegranate, you can get blueberry, cherries, strawberries. All those fruits goes a long way because it helps in circulation of blood and regulation of your body system. It's not even only that, it helps for the overall health. That is for those of you that your baby man is small and you're looking for how to make it tender, make it look presentable, make it look appreciable, so that your woman can appreciate it more. And another thing is, when every day be doing this exercise, trying to strengthen it. Okay, as you are strengthening and you are rubbing it every morning, it helps, regular flow of blood. One thing that makes it hard and strong is because of the blood that pump. Blood supply, regular blood supply to those veins surrounding it. It's what makes it stand pointed, not anything else. So what you should be doing, do exercise that can help your overall body, Kegel and pelvic floor exercise. Some persons think pelvic floor exercise is only for women, but it's not. It's also good for men. And also eat fruits and veggies that are rich in vitamins and minerals. All these vitamins and minerals goes a long way in your overall sexual activities. You feel me? So, and in your own leisure time, go to ChatGPT, go to Google and ask, how can I make myself last longer, or how can I add some inches or some, flesh to my baby man? They will teach you. The other one I talk about, if you are at 30 seconds, you don't last long. I think I'm going to postpone this particular video to tomorrow. It's a video request from my brother. So I will postpone this tomorrow by 6 p.m. tomorrow. I will upload that video. You understand? So please look out for it, so that if you are a guy that's 30 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, you have released your milk. And once you release it, you find it very difficult to stand up and continue the journey. I will tell you how you will go about it, how you can also put an end to that nonsense, because it disgrace and fuck a guy up during Akololo. And it's always very painful to guys that usually experience that. And your women often get disappointed at you once they see you in that mood. You feel me? So ladies and gentlemen, let me end this video here. I will continue from where I stop here tomorrow. So please, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, subscribe. After watching this video, I am pleading with you, watch at least 2 or 3 more videos on the channel, so that you can learn more. You feel me? I will see you in my next class. I remain your able coach, Rhoda-b, your coach in the things of the other room and your relationship. Bye for now.